customer ni nak tukar lagi, change here, change there, one bigger, smaller, bigger, I do know how to do it lah. My wish for 2026, SOLIDWORKS, please tell me what to do, not I just wait for you and click here and click there. My wish is, let's try an arrow, let's rework, and let's, what is fewer during the review meeting. My wish for 2026 is simple, faster decision, better design, and my engineer can focus on innovation, not guessing. And good news is, one of these wishes has been existed. And let's meet the SOLIDWORKS AI, Aura, Leo, and Mary. Let me show you this year are real for SOLIDWORKS AI, Aura, Leo, and Mary, introduced by the Dassault Systèmes CEO Pascal Dallos during the 3D Experience World 2026. Aura, she is orchestrating the knowledge and context from the requirements to projects to changes. Leo, he is bringing the engineering, reasonings, mechanics, structures, motion, simulation, and manufacturing. And Mary, she is bringing scientific disciplines, materials, chemistries, formulations, and regulations. There are difference, and following videos show that how they responded to the same questions. They are not the chatbots, but decades of the Dassault Systèmes expertise and the community like you, the industry knowledge. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS works during the 3D Experience World 2026 live demos. As a user, you can key in the questions in a natural language in the chat box to ask for help from the AI. And the AI able to segmentize the drawing into drawing views, sketches, and the title blocks. And from there, you can get the design, guidance, and import the 2D into the 3D environment instantly. With this, you can reduce the try and errors and make it into 3D design models easily. And 3D models are not only a solid model, but they come with the fully parametric dimensions and the features informations. With this, now you can design smarter, faster, and you can even simulate with the AI capabilities based on your past experience. This one makes sense lah. Less guessing and faster decision making. This is not replacing engineer, but to empowering them. And SOLIDWORKS AI is the AI that what the engineer thinks. By Dassault Systèmes CEO Pascal Dallos during the SOLIDWORKS Innovation Day. And let's, not running.